Guys, welcome back to the channel. This is a new channel, and as you can see, this is the first video on the channel. And also, you might have seen this video on my other channels also, so make sure you support this channel by subscribing and liking the post. And without further ado, I'm going to go into it. As you can see from the title of the video, let's get into it. So firstly, I have an account right here, which is our YouTube channel, the one I just created. So make sure you subscribe to this. Currently it has 0 subscribers, obviously, so the real deal is here. As you guys can see from the account that I'm showing you, I just made an ACH transfer to this account, and the purpose of this is only for educational purposes only, and people who need financial assistance. I'm in no way responsible for the way you treated this video. I'm only doing this to help people out. So once we get that out of the way, let's get into the video. So if you have a local bank or any credit union or bank in United States and you want to reload it, you're in need of quick funds and you want to reload with an ACH, which is going to be available for the next business day, I'll leave my WhatsApp down in the bio. Make sure you slide to my DM and I'll teach you guys how to do this with the amount of $2,000 BTC. So if you know you're interested in this, send me a DM and I'll teach you how to do it. So without further ado, I'm not going to keep the video long. I'm going to keep it short for people so I don't waste your time. So I'm going to go straight to the point. I'm only doing this for people that is in need of help, and this is the help that I can render to you guys. But the price for it is $2,000 BTC, and as you can see, I have $24,000 500 loaded here that is available on the card. $2,000 is a small price to pay for this. So if you know you're interested and you're in need of quick funds or you need assistance, send me a DM in the bio. Come ready with your Bitcoin and I'll teach you how to do it, and the money will be available in your account the next day. This is all for educational purposes only, I repeat. So without further ado, make sure you're a subscriber of the channel and you must send me a screenshot that you already subscribed before I could work with you. So without further ado, I'm going to end it here. I'll leave my WhatsApp down in bio. Make sure you send me a message and let's get started. Thank you, and I'll see you guys in the next video on the channel. Make sure you smash the like button.